It's a crazy morning, so I put Bodhi goes downstairs. Yes, that's his half of the house. It's a big half. And he busted through the door. He opened up the slider door, and when I went to get off the deck, he came running out here. He's like, oh, wow, clever boy. This is our mating pair. That's Bodie, and that's Tiger Lily. She just turned 1. She's way too young to have babies. She needs to gain weight and grow up. So I'm in no rush to breed her. It's whatever's best for Lily. And, my king. Oh, he wants to get to work, don't you? Yeah, he makes beautiful kittens. He's a good king. So, no. There you go. They're both European Maine Coons. Bodhi's a polydactyl, Lily is not. What are you doing? Kissing, giving kisses. Mommy loves you guys. Yeah, one day soon. You have to go back downstairs, Bobo. Yeah, Chemo's down there. Yeah, go bug Chemo. Look how little she is. She's way too little to have babies. I'm in no rush. Whenever Lily's ready. She needs to definitely gain weight. She just turned 1. She's way too young to have babies. But she will. One day. She's going to be a great mom, I can tell. Oh, you're looking kind of stocky. Okay, we gotta take Bodhi in. He's getting stocky. Don't stress her out. Bodhi, lay down. Don't stress her out. Thank you. You put an extension on the playhouse. Okay. Come on, big guy. It's time to go inside. He's not going to be happy. She's in the double tunnel. Okay. Oh, now you lay down. Yeah, if you were still Bodhi, I'd leave you out here, but... Yeah. You know what we could do? I could put you in your own tent. We could separate the tents out. Oops, sorry, wrong way. Can't really see her. Hey, Lily, I can't see you in there. Hi, Lily. You getting stressed? I don't want you to be stressed. He's a big cat. All right, thanks, guys.